Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in the previous topic we have discussed about the neutron as well as the property of the neutron. But while discussing, we were also concerned with the atomic mass and atomic number. So in this topic, let us understand what is mass number or atomic mass number. So now let's get started. So friends, in this topic I'm going to talk about the mass number, which is also known as atomic mass number, which is represented by A. So what is atomic mass number of a particular atom? Atomic mass number of a particular atom is nothing but it is the sum of the number of protons and the number of neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom. So this is just a simple calculation, but now let me elaborate this formula. The number of protons present in an atom is equal to the number of electrons present in an atom. In that case, the electrons are revolving around the nucleus of a particular atom. So in that case, I could say the number of proton, it represents the atomic number of the particular atom, that is represented by Z. So talking about the number of neutrons, we can represent it as N. And this is nothing but atomic mass number, that is A. So here by this calculation we can also determine what is the number of neutron present in a particular atom. So what would be the atomic number and what is the atomic mass number. So this is nothing but a short formula so as to calculate the atomic mass number of a particular atom. So now let me give you an example related to the atomic mass number calculation. Let us consider an example for carbon atom. So it has been found that is the carbon atom has the atomic number of 6, which represents, that is, the number of proton present in it is 6. Similarly, we could also say that is the number of electron present in it is also 6. And the protons that is present in the nucleus and the neutron should also be there in carbon, because the carbon is having neutrons in it except hydrogen, which doesn't consist of any neutron. So the number of neutron that is present in the nucleus, it has been found to be 6. So I could write it here as the N, and here it is 6. But since a particular atom is recognized because of its number of proton or number of electron, we could say atomic number, that is Z. So therefore the value of Z is 6 for the carbon. So in that case we could easily calculate the atomic mass, that is A, which is nothing but Z plus number of neutron. So in this case, the value of Z, it is found to be 6, and the number of neutron is also found to be 6, which makes us to understand that is the atomic mass number, that is A, for the carbon is 12. So that's the reason we represent carbon as carbon 612, where this is atomic number while this is atomic mass number. And that's it. Thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have understood what is atomic mass number, and I hope I'll see you next time. Till then, don't forget to subscribe Ekeeda channel. Thank you so much.